Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about something really cool. Let's get started. Meow, 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 meow. Hello, my name is Kero Amirin. I will show you how to do the gantt chart. For the gantt chart, we must to create the table. The first thing is for the table we must have the project start date. I choose the first January. Project name, I put the grade project. For the number, we must have the activity assigned to start and the days, status, and percentage name. For the status, you must write down here is a not started, in progress, block, and complete. Okay. Next, we must do create the calendar. Here, you type the starting date. Alright. This is your first week. Alright, for the first week, we're using this formula. C3. C3 is your project start date. If your project start date is not in C3, you can change that. You click enter. Then for the second week, we can type the equals. You click the first week and you can plus the 7. You click the enter. After that, you can drag to the right until the end of the year. Alright. Okay. For here, we get the 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and here is 5. So we got the 2 months for the 4 week, and 1 month is for the 5 week. All right. Here we can equals and you click the first week of the month. You click enter. This will come out with the month. How to do that? We go to the format cell and custom. You just tap is a MMM for the month. You click OK. Okay, we can do the same here. We can do the same here. Uh, until the December. All right. Up here, you can the equals. First the same thing. You just click the first month, first week, and click enter. This will come out with the year. How to do that? We do the same thing. Like for cells and custom, we type the YY4Y for the year. You click OK. So we get the calendar here. We get the calendar here. So we can do the design how you follow your creativity to get the more beautiful. These are my creativity, my calendar. Okay, we go to the days. Day is the how much the day from a start until to the end. So the formula is here. We're using a if F6 is the end of the days. Networks. Why we gonna network? The network is only the counts working day, Monday until the Friday. E6 is a start. So you just click the enter and drag down. Alright, we go to the status. How to do the status like this. How to do it is like this. For to do is like this, we just click all here and you go to the data. You click the data validation. You go to the allow. You go to the list for the source. You click all here. Now static in progress block and complete. You click the enter. You click OK. So we come out with like this. So if you want to get the more beautiful, you click all here and you go to the home and the conditional formatting. You click the new rule, format only set the content. Here you click the specific text. Here you just type any status. For example, I type the complete. I choose the green color. You click OK. If you status is you click the complete, it will come out with the color like green. You can do the same thing for the block and in progress. Up to you to your creativity, right? What the color you want to use. Next, before that, don't forget about the percentage of done. Percentage of done, you can click here. You click all here, and you click the percentage here, percentage style. So any number you type will in the percentage. We go the next. We create the diamond in here. We create all the diamonds. Okay. So how to do create the diamonds? We copy this formula. If J4, why we put the dollar here? Symbol dollar because to static to fit the to fit the numbers. For JS4 is the first day. For the F6 is the end of the days. So we just copy the formula. We go here and we paste formula here. You click enter. Do not forget to use the font wingdings to get the diamond. Here you can drag to the right. So the diamond will come out here. So we drag down. So we got the diamond for the all activity. So we can make the color. We'll fill the color. We go to the new rule. Use a formula to determine the format. We use this formula. The n. J4 is a n. E6. E6 is a start date. So you just copy. Do not forget to put your dollar sign, right? Okay. We just go click all column here, and you go to the conditional. New rule. Use a formula to determine with the cell format. Here you paste and format. You can fill the. I choose the blue color. I click OK. So the color will come out from the start date until the end of the day. Right? It's a very beautiful, right? We go to the next. The next is the color for the percentage of done. So here is for the all. Okay. We copy this formula. We copy this formula. I6 is the percentage of done. J4 is the first week. E6 is your start date. F6 is your end of the day. Okay. You click all here, and you click the conditional formatting, and you go the new rule. Use a formula determine cell format, and you paste here. For the color, I choose the dark blue. All right. This will follow the percentage of done. If you type the percentage of that is a 0, it's a nothing. The color will come out. All right. Okay, let's go. Next, we go to fill the gold and the diamond if the status is complete. So how to do that? We use this formula. And H6 is the status. The status if you're complete. J4 is your first week. Weekday. F6 is end of the days. All right. You click all here and you go to the conditional formatting. You click the new rule. Use a formula determine which cell to format. You paste this formula. And I choose the gold color, right? Why did not come out? Because we must have the status and the complete. So when the complete, you click the complete status complete. The diamond is will fill the gold color. It's a very beautiful, right? Okay. Next, we fill the block color. When we click the block, it will be red. So how to do this? We copy all the formula. We copy this formula. H6 is the status block. I6 is the percentage of done. J4 is your first week. E6 is your starting date. Alright. You copy this formula and you click all here and you go to the new rule, go to use a format cell to format and paste. For the color, I choose the red color. You click. So when you static is block, it will fill the red color from the starting until the percentage of that. So this is a final of the Gantt chart. It's a very beautiful and very very famous because it's a very beautiful, right? So many people come to me to ask me how to do this. So I show you. All right, thank you for the Gantt chart. Hello, my name is Kara Amirin. I will show you how to do the pareto chart. Okay, first thing we must have the Gantt chart, pareto line, and project name. Option data, percentage, cumulative, and line. For option data, you must click the control and T. For this, you click here. My table has header. So we'll show you like this. So you will sort the data is easily. So after you fill your information, you can click the sort largest to the smallest. So for the percentage, we must have a sum. So here you type the total, and here you just do the equals sum. After you like this, and you click all the number and enter. So we go to the percentage. For the percentage, is equals your first data divide by the here. So you click the enter. So you can drag down. All right. For the cumulative, is equals. You click the first for your first equality is equal the first percentage. For the second cumulative, it equals. You click the first cumulative and plus the second percentage. So you can drag down. In the line, you're using here. If blank, E7. E7 is your first cumulative and C3 is your pareto line. You click enter. So you can drag down. Alright, so we go to the next. We build the chart. You click option and data. And you go to the insert. You go for the bar. So second, you go to the cumulative. You insert. You click the line chart. So in here, you just copy and paste here. So for the cumulative chart, you click right click and format the series. You click the secondary axis. So you can do it here. For the line, it's just like same like before. You go to the insert. You go to the data. You go to the line data, line chart. You click here, and you copy. You Control C and paste here. So you format data series, secondary data, secondary data. In here, you right click and you click the change type. In the first data series, here, you click the bar chart. So you click OK. So we get the pareto chart line. So you can in here you just type equals and your chart name. We create project. So this all. Alright, thank you for watching. Hello, my name is Karamiri. I will show you how to do the control chart. So for the control chart, we must have the number, then value, average, upper control limit, and lower control limit. Okay, for the average, we just click the equals, average, average, open, and you click all here, and you click enter. For standard deviation, we just click equals, standard division, P, open, you click value all here, and you click enter. So upper control limit, you click the equals, you click the average plus standard deviation. For the lower control limit is equals is equals is average minus standard deviation. All right. Okay. After that, you copy the average and you paste here. You paste here equals here. Then don't forget to put the dollar sign. And you drag down. UCL is same. You click the you type the equals here, and don't forget the dollar sign. And you drag down. Lower control limit is same too. So the same and drag down. All right, let's go to the chart. For the chart, you just click all here and go to the insert recommendation chart and here. Just click. All right. So it's here. You just equal and your project name. That's it. All right. Thank you.